Alright, y'all supposed to be hitting the dance for them subscribers. Yeah. We get 500. Yeah, right now I'm just razor blading the dirty water down. Yep. Man, we hit it with the orange brush like this. Same technique. Take the microfiber towel and rub the edge. Make sure you remove any dirt that might be resting anywhere. Take you a triangle. I see some love. What's up? What's up? What's up, Ada? How you doing, sir? Thank you for the like. Thank you for the sub. Thank you, Ada. I don't know what you what they say. Some translate that English, please. But what's up, though? We finna have 500 subs. Yeah. Damn, we finna do. I gotta do 100 push-ups too. So if I get 100 likes, I'm gonna do 100 push-ups. So I gotta do like 75 push-ups. I'm a man of my word. I'm gonna do them. Then after this, Jack, I'm gonna put the camera on the TV. I'm gonna jump in the shower. You know what I'm saying? Then I probably gonna go to the liquor store or something, get that over with. If they open. And come back and get this bonfire started. I'm gonna throw down. And if only y'all can smell through the phone. I'm just cleaning up the window. Very important not to get lazy when you clean up the window. So you do all them outside steps right, but if your window dirty, you just, you know what I'm saying, you just wasted all your time. You may even want to clean the window off. You know what I'm saying, you just want to be thorough. So I took my time and cleaned every window the same way. So I want to make sure everything works. I hear that ringtone. That money keep calling me. Hey. Hold on. Yeah. I got it. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for letting me get 500 subs. Do a screenshot. Yeah. I appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all, man. We one step closer to open up the super chat. We got 500 subs, 1,200 watch hours. We need 3,000 watch hours. So we busting these goals down. We got 500 subs, 3 videos back to back. Man, we got 1,200 watch time hours. Man, I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate the love. Thank y'all, man. Man, we reached our goal, man. Thank you. Thank y'all. Thank you everybody who showed up, tapped in with me. You know what I'm saying? It's been a movie. It's been a movie, y'all. I appreciate the support. Thank you for the love. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pay y'all off in push-ups. Thank y'all. Alright. Yeah, man. Damn, that's what's up, y'all. That's what's up, man. 500, man. That's what's up, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Damn, man. Y'all real, man. I appreciate it. Much love, much love. Much love for sure.